Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of spending hours in the kitchen every day, we've got a game changer for you. In today's video, we're diving into the world of meal prepping, a fantastic way to save time, eat healthier, and still enjoy delicious meals throughout the week. Get ready to transform your eating habits and your life. Let's jump right in. Monday. Let's kickstart the week with a nutritious breakfast. Overnight oats topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey will give you the energy you need to conquer the day. For lunch, enjoy a colorful Greek salad loaded with veggies, feta cheese, and a tangy dressing. Dinner brings you a cozy bowl of roasted vegetable quinoa, providing a perfect blend of flavors to end your day on a satisfying note. Tuesday. On Tuesday morning, treat yourself to a creamy avocado toast sprinkled with crushed red pepper for a little kick. For lunch, savor a protein-packed chicken and vegetable stir-fry that will keep you fueled and focused. Wind down in the evening with a comforting lentil soup, rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Wednesday. Wednesday midweek calls for a delicious start. Enjoy a mixed berry smoothie bowl topped with granola and nuts to power through your morning. At lunchtime, indulge in a whole grain wrap filled with hummus, grilled chicken, and crisp veggies. For dinner, savor a baked salmon fillet served with a side of steamed broccoli and quinoa. Thursday. Thursday's breakfast is a delightful spinach and mushroom omelet, loaded with protein and vitamins. For lunch, dig into a vibrant chickpea and spinach salad drizzled with lemon tahini dressing. Wrap up your day with a comforting bowl of whole grain pasta tossed with roasted tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Friday. It's Friday. Energize your morning with a stack of whole grain pancakes topped with sliced bananas and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Lunchtime brings a refreshing quinoa and black bean salad with a zesty lime dressing. For dinner, enjoy a hearty bowl of vegetable and white bean stew, perfect for cozying up after a long week. Saturday, happy Saturday. Start your day with a protein-packed scrambled egg and vegetable breakfast burrito. For lunch, enjoy a vibrant and hearty chickpea and kale Caesar salad. In the evening, treat yourself to a homemade whole wheat pizza topped with loads of veggies and a sprinkle of cheese. Sunday. Sunday calls for a leisurely breakfast. Enjoy a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Lunchtime brings a comforting and aromatic coconut curry with tofu and vegetables. For a cozy Sunday dinner, savor a bowl of creamy butternut squash soup paired with a side of whole grain garlic bread. And there you have it, a week's worth of healthy and delicious meal prep ideas. We hope this video has inspired you to take charge of your nutrition and simplify your life in the kitchen. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Remember, eating well is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.